Nik Muhammad Daniel bin Nik Farid, Ani Nazira binti Ahmad Nordin, Zulfadli.
Chapter 2, Procurement Producing. Standard recipe is a standardization of each dish which dish is beneficial to consistency, quality and cost control. May be defined as a written formula for producing a food item of specified quality and quantity for use in particular establishment. The function of standard recipe to predetermine the quantities and the quality of the ingredient to be used, stating the standard purchase specification wherever possible, to predetermine the yield obtained from the recipe if a standard yield has been prepared. A standard recipe should list of all ingredients including spices, exact quantities of everything, method of preparation for everything, size of portion, total number of portions to be obtained from recipe. This is the example of a standard recipe.
Importance of standard recipe. Effective purchasing procedure ensure the quality will be same and important to food control. Example of calculate standard recipe and calculation is standard recipe calculation of total production. Calculation of portion soup and sauce. Step 1. Find out. Step 2. Soup during the cooking process retain 2, 3 and multiply. Step 3. Soup is mixed and increased by 30% more. Portion number equal total volume divide portion size. First, most important standard that any food service. 2. Define as the quantity. 3. The standard portion size for any item. Measurement in standard portion size, which volume and count.
Importance of standard portion size. Reduce customer discontent, eliminate animosity, eliminate excessive cost, develop efficient production team. Define as the dollar amount that a standard portion should cost given the standard and standard procedure for its production. Importance of standard portion cost. Know the cost exactly for control purposes. Calculation of standard portion cost. The formula. Example of recipe detail and cost card. Example of butcher test and cooking loss test. Conclusion. We learn about standard recipe, standard portion size, and standard portion cost. Understanding each term help us to minimize and control our cost, to identify the menu item and quantity of the item used.